Knowledge is of no use unless you practice it. Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Poonam Kapoor from Brainbeat Academy and I welcome each one of you to the Test Your Mettle session. Are you all ready? Here is the first question. I am good dash English. I repeat, I am good dash English. Your options are at and in. The options are at and in. The second question is, I am traveling dash a train now. I repeat, I am traveling dash a train now. Your options are on and by. The options are on and by. Okay, let's go to the third question. I am tired dash working hard. I repeat my question. I am tired dash working hard. Your options are of and from. The options are of and from. Please pause the video and you can write down, think properly and please write the answer. So here is the fourth question. He was born dash June 2000. Your options are in and on. Let's go to the fifth question. I have an account dash this bank. Your options are with and in. The sixth question is, I agree dash my mother's advice. I repeat, I agree dash my mother's advice. Your options are with and to. Your options are with and to. The seventh question is, I will discuss dash the issues. Your options are about, on and no preposition. The eighth question is, I will dispose dash the garbage. Your options are of, of or no preposition. The ninth question is, dash this day last year I was in the UK. Once more I repeat my question. Dash this day last year I was in the UK. Your options are on, in, no preposition. So are you all ready for the last and the final question? And here we go. The 10th question is, I am talking dash phone. I repeat, I am talking dash phone. Your options are on and by. The options are on and by. Now, to give the answers for these questions, Sir Genso Peter is on the other side. So, Genso, are you ready to give the answers and check their mettle?
Yes. Thank you so much, Poonam Kapoor, for giving those valuable questions. Now, let us see the answers for given questions. Please note that you have to give 2 marks for your each right answer and minus 0.75 for each wrong answer. Now, let us see the answer for the first question. The question was, I am good dash English. We have only 2 options, in and at. I don't want to give many explanations because it is a very simple question. But I have seen many people say, I am good in something. I am good in playing cricket. I am good in music. But that is grammatically wrong. So here the answer is, I am good at English. The second question is a little complicated. I am traveling dash a train now. Here there will be a tendency that we will fix by. But when we use by, we are not talking about any particular vehicles. We are just talking about the mode of transportation. How do you go to your hometown? Yeah, I go by train. I go by train. I am not talking about any specific train. I am just talking about the mode of transportation. Here in this usage, we can clearly see after by, we cannot use article a or an. But in this sentence, we are talking about a specific train. I am traveling dash a train now. Please note that there is article also. So we cannot use by. We will use on. But when I said this, one student asked me, sir, how it is possible? You told that in means inside, on means outside. For example, in the table means inside the table. On the table means on top of the table. So you are saying that I am traveling on a train is correct. So is it like you are traveling on top of the train? Like in this visual. Yeah, a bit crazy one, but the best song of the time. Anyways, we cannot go on top of the train. Nowadays it is impossible, it is illegal, and on top of that, all the trains are electric trains. If you are going on top of the train, we will come back as a cold cake. So it is impossible. Here, it is not because of that we are using on. There is a usage on board. When we travel on board the flight, on board the train, in the same way we can say, I am traveling on a train. That is the right usage. The third question is a bit tricky one. I am tired dash working hard. There is a usage, tired of. But when we go to dictionary, tired of has a different meaning. Tired of means we are not actually tired, we are not physically tired, but we are bored. When we watch a movie, we will say, I am bored. We will say, I am tired of. We will say, I am tired of talking with him. I am tired of watching movies. So in this sentence, I am tired dash working hard. We are not actually bored, but we are physically tired. So tired of is a wrong usage. It should be tired from. The next question is, he was born dash June 2000. Here we have to know only 4 things. In front of the year, we have to use in. In front of the month, we have to use in. In front of the day or dates, we have to use on. In front of the time, we have to use at or by. Approximate time, by, exact time, at. Here, we have no doubt because he was born dash June 2000. We are talking about a month. So, answer is clear. We have to use in. The next question was, I have an account dash this bank. With or in. To understand this answer, you have to know what is the actual meaning of account. Account has another meaning, that is agreement. Please see whether I have an agreement in this bank or I have an agreement with this bank. What will be the right answer? So when we actually go to that meaning, we understand I have an account or agreement with this bank. The next question was, I agree dash my mother's advice. With or to. Agree with and agree to have different meanings. That is the impact of preposition here. Agree with means I support. What you said is correct. I agree with your opinion. I agree with what you told about the Indian government. But when I say agree to, that means I obey. I obey. I agree to elder people. Here, I agree dash my mother's advice. So what do you think? Agree to or agree with? Obviously, agree to. The answer for the 7th question. The question was, I will discuss dash the issues. There are 3 options. On, about, no preposition. Yeah, on will not come. I will discuss on the issues. That is wrong. Here, our doubt is whether we have to use about. I will give you 3 words. With these 3 words, about will never come. We don't want to use about. For example, consider. We can only say, I will consider your problems. Similarly, explain. I will explain about the project is wrong. We can simply say, I will explain the project. In the same way, I will discuss about the issues is wrong. We can simply say, I will discuss the issues. About is unnecessary and it is a grammatically wrong sentence. So the answer is, we don't have to use any preposition, no preposition. The 8th question is also a bit tricky one. The question was, I will dispose dash the garbage. There are 3 options. OF, OFF, no preposition. Majority of the time, we say, I will dispose the garbage. But that is a grammatically wrong sentence. We need a preposition with dispose. The same as we use preposition with accused. He was accused of doing that crime. In the same way, we need a preposition with dispose. OFF has a different meaning. That means switch off the fan, or we will say away. That is the meaning of OFF. So here the right answer is, I will dispose of the garbage. We are coming to the penultimate question, that is the 9th question. The question was, dash this day last year I was in the UK. Normally when we say this day, this time, this year, we don't want to use any preposition. This day is my birthday. is a right sentence. We don't want to say on this day is my birthday. That is a grammatically wrong sentence. But in this sentence, we are not talking about this day. We are not talking about today. We are talking about this day last year. The same day. For example, if it is today, July 3rd, the same day last year, I was in the UK. So, here we have to use a preposition. And I already told you, in front of the year, we will use in front of the month, we will use in front of the day and date, we will use on. So, the answer is dash this day. That means on this day last year, I was in the UK. So, coming back to the last question. I am talking dash phone. Any electronic equipment, any electronic device, we have to use on. I am watching a movie on TV. I am listening to music on radio. I am searching something on the internet. So any electronic equipment we can use on. Here I am talking dash phone. Phone is a piece of electronic equipment. We can say I am talking on phone. Don't use I am talking by phone. That is wrong. With this we have completed the answers for all 10 questions. The next episode is all about subject-verb agreement, singular and plural. These questions are frequently asked in all kinds of government exams, including banking, insurance and SS exams. So please don't miss the next episode. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Hope this video was very useful for you. Have you made some mistakes? Don't worry. This is the process of learning. To watch our further videos, please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Until we meet again, bye.